Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find your shade in Sephora. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Sephora account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands along with its own private label called the Sephora Collection. Now this includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's step, which is how to find your shade in Sephora. Now head over to the top corner of your screen where you have all of these tabs. So select makeup. Once select makeup, you can now click on foundation. So from this window, I'm going to have to select this first product I find here, which is this Alia. So I'm just click on that and it's going to take me to the product details page. So from this, you have all the details about this product. And now over here, we have this find your shade, you have this radiant finish, and you have a wide variety of shades. So if you click on the shades, you can see the different shades. So click on find your shade, hyperlink in there. So you've got options. So let's get started. So with the foundation you currently use to find a matching shade from this brand. So let's get started. Select the current foundation brand. Okay, I don't know, I'd have a foundation brand, but I'm just going to use this Amico. And select the current product for Amico. Okay, skin enhancing. So select the current shade for Amico. Let's say this is my shade, Deep 2. We found your closest match. So this is it. This is the closest match. So Super Serum Skin to Dominica ST14, deep with neutral undertones. So you can now click on select this shade. This is the shade. So now that you've found your shade, from there you can now add to basket and proceed to check out with this particular shade of this foundation. So this is pretty much how you can find your shade in Sephora. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.